would like to travel around the world for free? And how many of you would like to travel around the world and get paid for it? This is the beauty of our airline industry, right? First, I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining this free airline job training program. This is my dream project, and I would like to thank you for being a part of this program. Before I begin, I wish to say 2 sentences which you must remember for the next 5 days constantly, and I recommend you to write it down and read it every day. Number 1, believe in yourself. And number 2, finish what you start. I am not good in English, I am dark skinned. No. Nothing can stop you from your dream. I am here to teach you, and this is the only program in the whole world to teach you free airline training, and all you have to do is to dedicate yourself for the next 5 days of this training and work hard. If you are my student, you must be the best cabin crew or the best ground staff in the whole world. You have to grow fast and high up in your career, not just earn high salaries, but also a good name in the industry. After you complete this 5-day program with dedication, you will be able to be the most confident candidate in the airline interview room, the most well-dressed person in the airline interview room, and the most well-spoken candidate with the best communication skills in the airline interview room. Obviously, you will get the job. Well, I am Rohini Rao. I have worked as a cabin crew and a trainer for more than 12 years. When I was 4 years old, my grandmother gave me this Barbie doll, and since then, I had a dream that one day I want to look exactly like my Barbie doll, become a cabin crew, and travel around the world. I had a lot of challenges on my journey. Number 1, my communication skills were not good enough. Second, the training fee was very, very high. 2 lakh rupees around 13 or 14 years ago was a lot of money. But I believed in myself. My father helped me by taking a loan for my fees and enrolled me for the course, and I worked very, very hard to improve my communication skills. I knew that my goal was to earn respect in my family, earn high salaries, and travel around the world. With hard work and dedication, at the age of 18, I started my career with Indigo Airlines in India, where I was promoted to the leading lady position, that is head of the flight and coach. And then I moved to Etihad Airways, Abu Dhabi, where I was a premium cabin crew, that is first class cabin crew, and a trainer at the Etihad Airways Innovation Center. Becoming a trainer in that international airline and training cabin crew from multiple countries across the world is one of the biggest achievements in my life. And I must say that the days I spent as a cabin crew traveling around the world are the best days of my life. When I went to dream destinations like Paris or New York or Switzerland, I used to pinch myself and check if it was a dream or a reality. When I was a cabin crew, everywhere I go, like say meeting friends or relatives, everyone used to get excited about my job. They always used to be curious about my profession and used to inquire details about how to apply for the job and request me if I can train them or help them with their communication skills, grooming or resume for them to become a cabin crew or join as airport operations officer. So, in the year 2016, I started Ambara Aviation Academy. Ambara in Sanskrit means skies. I started Ambara Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, and in the first year itself, we were awarded the APJ Abdul Kalam Award as the best aviation institute in India. There are many aviation academies in India, but we got that award because one, I am the only trainer in India who has international airline flying and training experience, and I always give my 100% dedication to each of my students and make sure that they get their dream job. This is the graduation ceremony of my student Preeti in Indigo Airlines. I enjoy being a part of the journey of my student to teach them communication skills, grooming skills, aviation knowledge, placement training, and finally making sure they get their dream job. Those days, everything was good. We used to take a limited batch of students, give them our 100% dedication, train them, and get them placed. But I started to notice two problems. One problem was there was a lot of students who used to come from different cities in India. They used to stay in PG and they could not eat healthy food. Now, in our aviation training, we used to teach them to eat healthy food, take care of their skin. But when you're staying in a PG, it was difficult for them to eat healthy food or take care of their skin or exercise or anything like that. Now, the second problem was fees. Some students could not afford the training because paying more than 1 lakh and again paying for PG was difficult for a few people. One of the most important thing was lots of students used to get cheated by fraud academies where they collect 1 or 2 lakhs from them. The trainers themselves are not qualified to train anybody, and at the end, the students do not get placed in any job. So I thought a lot about this problem, and finally I got a solution. I felt bad that there are so many people missing their career in this fast-growing aviation industry. With the guidance from Indian Institute of Aviation, Bangalore, I started an online airline job training program. It was the first in India and the lowest price in the whole world. Today, nobody is able to give such a detailed training at such a low cost. It is a 3-month program for just 25,000 rupees. Just 25,000 rupees. And all the topics could be covered. And many candidates in India took this training. And again, we saw amazing placement results because we and our trainers give individual attention to each student and transform their outlook. After the 3-month program, the candidates were completely changed. The way they walk, the way they speak, the way they look, and the way their resumes are written, the confidence they have during job interviews obviously got them a job and got us a very high placement record. And today, we have hundreds of students across India who have benefited by just paying 25,000 rupees and are all working in good positions in airlines and airports across India. During the training, the students could stay in their own home, eat healthy food, exercise every day, spend very less money, and get a good high-paying job as soon as possible. Because of this service, the state government presented me with the Pride of Karnataka Award for creating employment opportunities for such a low cost and getting all students recruited in good airlines. This is a picture of me with one of my students in the airport when I was traveling last week. Trust me, the happiness I feel when I see my students in the airport or in the flight, it is just incredible. After this, I felt that there was few more students in the country who cannot even pay 25,000 rupees. I personally like to do a lot of social service. I like to teach for free in some orphanage homes. I teach communication skills to government school children. And I feel that as a citizen of India, it is our responsibility to make sure that we share our knowledge as much as possible to the next generation. I kept thinking, what can I do to help them? What can I do to help these candidates? And now I have come up with a free training and certification program. There is no fees for this, and the only price that you have to pay is your time and dedication. And apart from that, everything is free. It is a limited time, 5 days, and I'm telling you now itself that this is not going to be easy. But I'm sure that you are aware nothing in life comes easy. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, not just in aviation, you have to be ready to work hard in life. We live in a very, very expensive world. You're all growing up, you're not small children anymore. If you want respect from your family and friends, you need a respectable job, earn a good salary, buy a nice house, buy a nice car, clothes, and a lot more. And what is better than the aviation industry? The aviation industry in India is the fastest growing and they pay the highest jobs in the whole world. So I would like to welcome you to this program. I would also like to clarify a few commonly asked doubts before we begin the class. First question, everybody is asking me this, is this training really free? What are you benefiting from this? So yes, like I told you before, this training is completely free of cost along with your e-certificate is also free of cost. If you doubt what I benefit from this, financially, no, I do not benefit anything from this. In fact, I am spending my own money to conduct this training, but I am sure I will gain a lot of good wishes from you and from all the students who are taking this training and getting jobs. Number two, my communication skills are not good. Can I join aviation? This is the second question. You have to understand communication is just a skill which you can learn and you have to learn. It is not just in aviation. In any industry, in any field, if you want success, you have to improve your communication skills. Just believe in yourself, work hard. And if I could do it, you can do it too. The third question, I am not good looking. Can I join aviation? Don't ever think that you are not good looking. Everybody is born beautiful in their own way. And aviation industry is a profession. It has nothing to do with how you look. It's all about how you groom yourself. We will be teaching you grooming training on Thursday, so don't worry about it. And the fourth question was, can married people join aviation? Yes, married people can join aviation. Marriage has nothing to do with your job with an airline.